sagot. May meaning. Sabi ni Mika.
At sa Aya.
May kaya ka ba?
And I love you.
Ate Aya, bigyan mo 0.5. Ay, ayok. Tapos siya.
Bobby naman oh.
Bobby naman, no?
The next thing you'll do is you want to read into the other person's face. Okay?
Hala.
Oras ka sa side mo. Tingin ka kayo sa side mo.
Okay lang si Mikaya naman hinahanap nila.
Ay, okay. Mga bastos. May napapansin ba kayo? Oo, may kaya.
Ang dry skin. Dry skin ka ba?
Please, umiyak na nila guys. Hindi sa sarili nilang
Layo na ubusan ka ng oras.
Titigan. Wait lang. Oh, girl. Fight, dali na. Yes, I-kiss mo si Mika. Sige lagi mag-ate.
Sweet as a vanilla ice cream ka daw. Sino nagsabi niya? Ate Aya? Huh? Feeling ko it's like, I'm not sweet. Like, she said that. Why is she saying that? That's not fair.
You could be my it girl, baby you're the shit girl, loving you could be a crime. Crazy how we did girl, this is it girl. Araw ay malalaman mo at kung ikaw ay nakatawa, ako pa ba ay nakikita? Nalilimutan ko ang itsura ko kapag kausap na. Sana naman ako'y pakinggan at nang ikaw ay malinawan dahil nabihag mo ang aking paningin at damdamin o chinito, chinito.
I'm captivated. Your beauty is timeless, never outdated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so unequal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sunny and Cher, honey and bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. it's that special day.
Dun na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo. Kung hindi magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatok. Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad.
Maaari bang pagbigyan? Huwag kang mag-alala. Di ko ipipilit sa'yo kahit nalilipad. Ang isip ko'y torete sa'yo.
Sold out! Yung Mikaya bundle natin at yung Carter. Wow! Sold out na. Thank you. Gusto pa rin mag-check out. Pwede pa rin pa naman kayo mag-umabol, guys. Pero, tatanong mo natin si Brad. Pero habang tinatanong namin si Brad, pwede kayo mag-comment, guys, ng more. More. Comment more.
Ate Aya, bigyan mo 0.5. Babi naman oh.
Exception. You are the only 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 exception. You are only exception. You are the only exception. And I'm on my way to believe it.
Actually, gusto natin marinig yung ano, yung sa isa pa dahil like I said, nakapamahan nila